All right, here's another one that says find the inverse function. So remember, f of x is the same thing as y equals 12 minus 4x cubed. And so to do the inverse, you are going to put x where the y is and y where the x is, and then solve it for y. Okay. Okay. I can't stand it when the variable is negative. So, I'm going to do what I like to call a 2-for-1 special. I am going to add 4y cubed to both sides. But once I get it over on the left, I don't want this x over here, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides also. So that cancels out, and so does this. So I'm going to be left with a 4y cubed equals a 12 minus x. Believe it or not, this is going to make much more sense than trying to deal with that negative on the 4. So I just do the old switcheroo. I add 4y cubed so that it cancels out on the right, shows up on the left as a positive. But then once it's over on the left over here, I don't want this x, so I subtract x to cancel it out, but then I got to subtract x over here, and then those cancel out, but I'm still left with this 12 and this minus x. Okay, now I'm going to divide both sides by 4, so that cancels out, and I get y cubed is equal to, and then I'm just going to leave it as 12 minus x over 4. And then to get y by itself, I have to get rid of the cubed, and so for that I would cube root it. But what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So I got to cube root that side. And the cubed root and the cube cancel each other out. So you're just left with the y equals the cubed root of a 12 minus x all over 4. And this cube root sign is over that whole thing. And that's my answer. So, this is my answer. And then remember y is really now the inverse function, f negative 1 of x, which Mobius puts that in there for you. So I just have to go back, and they've got it in equation editor mode, and click on this. Okay, we're doing a cubed root, so click on that. And then make sure you put the cube where the 3 is, and then click on the A. I'm going to backspace to get rid of the A, but I need to put a fraction in there, so click on A over B. And then the numerator, oh my brain, what was it? 12 minus x. Okay, so 12 minus x over, backspace to get rid of the B, put in a 4, and that should be it. How did I do? Yay! There you go. Okay, so I'm done.